Every sunrise brings a new chance to power your life, naturally. At Inframitra, we transform sunlight into savings, clean, reliable, and sustainable energy for your home and business. Why pay more for electricity when the sun gives it to you for free? From consultation to installation, our experts handle everything, so you can start saving from day one. Slash your power bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy energy independence for decades to come. Whether you're a homeowner, a business, or an industry leader, we've got the right solar solution for you. The future is bright. Let's power it together.